Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm Kevin and this is The Real Laptop Lifestyle. I'm about to show you how you can get 12 additional paid weeks holiday each and every year. How does that sound? So before we get started, right underneath this video, you are going to find a little subscribe button. Please click it and the bell next to it. And that way I'll keep you updated with all of the future life hacks that will make you money. So let's get straight into this. Anyone who is versatile or adaptable will find a way of making this work. However, there are a few catches and there are a few conditions, but it will work for most people, or it can be made to work for most people, and it will be a little bit different for everybody. So you'll need to think outside of the box, but it is totally possible. There's always a way. In fact, in life, whatever we do, there are always many ways. So find a way of making this work for you. And it all starts with desire, making it happen, and I'll be glad to assist you. So what are my objectives? Well, my objectives are to highlight an alternative way to a traditional job. Most people hate their jobs. So I'm going to show you a different way of living your life, and you might find it's just for you. I'm going to show you a far more enjoyable lifestyle, a way to live your life on your terms rather than having to live them on the terms of which is dictated by other people. I'm going to demonstrate that there's always a way. Remember, I said this a minute ago, there's always many ways. And this is one very workable solution. It's going to capitalize on your commuting time. Now, if you don't commute, this won't be for you. But for anybody who does commute regularly, they are going to be able to get a load of free paid holiday if they follow this process. Now, did you know that here in the UK, the average person spends 2 hours each and every day commuting? Seriously, commuting consumes a very large part of most people's wages. 15% is an average sort of sum. And most people really resent this unpaid commute time. So let's do the calculations. So 2 hours every day times 5 if you excuse me, if you work a 5-day week, that's 10 hours a week. And if you work 4 weeks a month, that's 40 hours a month, 480 hours a year, or 12 working weeks you spend in commuting. A quarter of your year spent getting to and from work. And that's a total waste of time. So there has to be a better way. So let's go to the solution. Now, this solution is so simple, most people have overlooked it. All you have to do is start your own profitable part-time business. Doesn't have to be full-time, don't have to give up your job, start it part-time. Now, I know that can be difficult if you're already flat out and got your family to look after, but remember, you're investing into your future, okay? Perhaps your own laptop lifestyle business, or work from home, or work from anywhere that you desire. If you follow this process, you can run it alongside your job until your laptop lifestyle or your new income stream starts to generate more profit than your job. Then giving up your job, it becomes a very, very easy decision. So how long does it take me to get to the office? Well, I'm here in the UK. This is my little home next to the beach, and I'm right in the route. So I sort of live down there, that direction. So it takes me about 10 or 15 seconds from anywhere in the house, or 25 seconds if I'm in the garden. Not longer at all. Just consider the benefits. Now, once you're established, you're going to really begin to enjoy your work. Now, I hope it shows. I really love my work. I really enjoy it with a passion. In fact, I can't get started early enough most mornings. You can work the hours which suit you. What hours would suit you? A lot of people would say they want to wrap them around the family. When my children were at home and needed running around, I used to get in the morning, do a bit of work, take them to school, go and do the family obligations and shopping or whatever, then come back and work for a few hours. Then I'd be with the children again, spend a few hours. And if I still needed to do some more, it would be later on in the evening. And using the laptop lifestyle to help you, or any work at home sort of system, you can do this. You can wrap it around your family. I was always there for the family when they needed me the most, to run them around. You have total freedom with a laptop lifestyle to work from anywhere you want. Now, I go on holiday several times a year, and I take my work with me. I don't have to, it's just I enjoy doing it. It's something that keeps momentum in my life and keeps me thinking. I might have a couple of days doing nothing, and then I get back to it. I can't get into it fast enough, and that's because I love my work. You'll be able to live life on your terms, as I just told you how I do. You'll have loads of free time and the opportunity to generate an income you're have only dreamed of. People often ask me, well, what would you earn working for yourself? And what I earn is irrelevant. But I would say that the average person who starts working for themselves and has a good focus, they're going to quite quickly, if they're successful, generate 4 to 6 times what their job was generating for them. So 4 to 6 times would be a good rule of thumb. However, there's always the exception, and these are not so much the exceptions. I know quite a few people who've really taken this up through the roof. By the end of the first year, they're getting a six-figure income. By the end of the second year, I know a few people who've got it to a seven-figure income, and I know one person who's got their income to an eight-figure income. You could do the same. There are no limits on what you earn. Consider that. You can live your dreams and desires. Isn't it funny how when we leave school or as we grow up, we have all of these things we want to do and they get less and less likely to be achieved as we get older, generally because of time restrictions and more importantly, money restrictions. This overcomes that. Have I made a good case? I hope I have. I love the laptop lifestyle, and I know you will also. And there's a laptop lifestyle just waiting for you to get behind it. Now, you can do this. The sad fact is this. Some people, in fact, seriously, most people, now they'll be sitting there listening to me, and at the same time, they'll be making reasons in their head. They'll be thinking about why they can't do that. They'll be stonewalling, and they've made the decision already. And guess what? This is your advantage. This lets you get light years ahead of the rest. The investment for you to get started, particularly in a laptop lifestyle, is really minimal. You probably have all you need already. If you're watching me, you probably have everything to get started that you need immediately. The potential returns, as we know, are massive. You have everything to gain and very little to lose. So let me ask you a really big question. What are you waiting for? So finally, if you have any comments and questions, I'm sure you do, right below this video, there's a place where you can write them. So comments or questions, put them in there, make them as specific as possible. I will answer them for you, okay? Have you enjoyed this video? I seriously hope you have. And this is something that I need feedback on. So right below this video, there are lots of things below this video, but right below this video, there's a big blue, always get the wrong thumb, big blue thumbs up. If you've enjoyed the video, please click it for me. Okay. To keep the benefits flowing, please subscribe to my profit generating email list. Okay, now if you do this, I'll keep you motivated. You know, I'll keep you inspired. I'll probably make you laugh and smile. People say I'm a funny person. Don't tend to be. I think I'm just a bit weird. I'll keep you updated with money making information, with tips, tricks, and mythology that will get you results. Hacks like this one, special reports, and of course, lots more. And all you have to do is go to this page, click on subscribe, and the way you get there is right below this video. Under this video, once again, you'll find the first link. It'll say claim your profit generating emails. Click this, it'll bring you to this page. When it says where it says subscribe, click that, and it's going to give you a choice of 4 buttons. They all put you on my list, but it's going to ask you how much you want to generate. I mean, what do you want to generate? I've probably got you thinking, do you want to make enough money just for your next holiday? Or would you really like to make that six-figure income, you know, $10,000 plus each and every month from the comfort of your own home? So just choose one of those. That tells me where you are, and I'll provide you some extra very specific information. Okay, so please join my list. I look forward to speaking to you on that. Now, just once again, if you haven't subscribed, remember the subscribe button is directly below this video. It's good for both of us. It's good for me. It helps the channel grow as well. So thank you so much for joining me. I've really enjoyed speaking with you, and I look forward to speaking to you again shortly in an email or perhaps the next video. Bye-bye for now.